And so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today we are going again to the big waterfall of Karbi Anglong. It's Bheloghat waterfall, and with of my some friends. And this is going to be a New Year party for me. So I didn't enjoy my New Year party. Because of that, we are going today for a picnic, small picnic. And so we are almost maybe 6-7 of them. And so now we are going from this way. This is the main road, so we will go by this way. So guys, see you there. And if you want to see the vlog again, then I will give in the description. So let's go. And so guys, happy new year to all my friends. And so we are heading towards the waterfall, guys. And this is my brother, and this is Porky Stick. Let's go, guys. We have reached the gate. Let's see. Ball. Hey. So guys, finally we have reached the gate, and so now we have to take ticket. Enakai lagi ase be gamsa anibo lagisle bhal. And this is the picnic spot area, guys, of Bheloghat. Wow, lot of noisy. Wow, after a long time. Oh guys, pork roasted. And so guys, now we are going to look the waterfall. It rose. And so we are heading towards there. Huh? Hi guys. So guys, here you can see lot of development. They have some step, but before it was quite wooden. So we will go now to look the waterfall. So guys, our pork is ready now. You can see, wow. And here, yes, and what have, what not have. And here you can see porky, and he is making. Ma hoarding na ma. And so guys, now we are going home. So it's now the time is 5 o'clock, and so we are going home now. And so guys, they are friends. And so bye bye. Let's see you in the next vlog, man.
Bye bye.
Next vlog. Yeah.
Next vlogs, guys.
Bye bye.